Gopal ang dumagin na. Gopal ang dumagin na.
Hindi close na.
Hindi na close? Sige, pag-practice mo sa inyo. Ano ka manungin niyo? Okay. So, ako na open. So, direct I will open na to. We find out sa kapag-baitan na. Hindi siya kusugot. Kaya na lang. This one. Saan may ko na ko? A-set sa naka-osman ha. Continuous. And age na ko nung ha. I will check the relationship between age and grades. Ano na lang? So age and grades, I can use person mark for this one. So all I need to do is to make or check the correlation matrix. Age and grade. Ano kayo value? Automatic, you have here the person are 0.074 and you have the p-value. What if Naima violate na assumption? Sige ito, pag Naima violate na assumption, you should use what? Sperman. I-click natin yung na Sperman skill eh. Just click Sperman. Sa'yo mo gamiton, ganit Sperman. Ayan na siya kasi. Dahil ka, person and Sperman. Automatic. Yan na siya kadali. If mag-Sperman mo, so assuming na ako ay dahil na mali na assumption. Sperman yung bigod. Pwede nga yan, check on this person. Para kumawas si Sperman lang. Same ako sa titas. Pag-check nyo ang titas, yung gamit ni Colin, na violate na assumption, i-unclick na itong i-unclick na itong titas para nyo mamugawas sa result na lang sa will console or para rin kayo yung table. But, naturally naman, you can argue kaning candle, it's also non-parametric, similar with Sperman. Pero, dili kayo siya ginagamit and bukan, medyo complicated gamay. So, parang, if non-violate na assumption, just use Sperman, di na tang candles. But the concept of candle is something similar to Sperman. Nanatahan? So, sa mga researches ninyo, if you are using Likert scale, you use Sperman. So, if you click nyo mo, mawala si p-value. P-value pa yung basis for significance. So, the p-value. Okay, so that's all for person or Sperman. Practice sila alayon sa geometry ninyo if pagkalura mo makita alin na values. Question? Di man ulit tayo. Headings. Okay, may edit lang muna headings. Base. Then, guys, make sure na bahala ka na kayo edit pero sakto yung level of measurement. This must be continuous.
Yes.
Continuous na.
Yes.
Then this one must also be continuous. Okay, okay, one. Okay, then let's go to regression. Pwede na magamit ng linear regression. Go sa mga you have A here and B there. Ano siya kami sa or pwede po, pwede ka sa pwede ka ni correlation matrix. Correlation matrix, then you have A and B. Or mas simple siya. So, makita na mo, same value siya ganina. 0.776. That's exactly the same value here. But, mas ganahan pa sa correlation matrix kay mas straightforward siya ba? You can see the degrees of freedom as well as the value. So, what is the value of R? Bali maklaro. Ano na isulti? That's 0.776. So, that means R is 0.776.
Strong.
It's strong na? It's strong. That's 0.776 or 2 decimals with 0.78. And then this strong. Strong relationship. So, R is 0.78. So based on the scale, this value signifies a high correlation or relationship between the variables. This is what means that there is a high relationship. Or strong. What is strong in the term? That exists between the age of the respondents and their height, which implies that the age of the respondents strongly affects their height. Since the value is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Since the value is positive, this means that the older the respondents, the taller they are. So when say the older, so as the age increases, their height also increases. But I think sa mga bata, okay. Then this one. Same lang. By the way, kani siya, R is, look at the value for R. There are compute lang sa akin. To compute for R, just copy-paste this one in Jacobi. So R here is almost perfect, right? R is almost perfect. So ano sabi ay mag-perfect si R? So mag-perfect si R if there is a perfect relationship. Kahit naman sa niya. Kung sa form sa perfect relationship. Tawa. Connected sandwiches, what's the cost?
130.
130 sa may sa pila day kada usa ka sandwich.
13.
13. So 130 di ba? Pag 20 ka buo, kung tag 13 siya, 13 each. Kung 20 ka po, at 13 each, ilang na?
260.
60. Ano eh?
390.
390. 520. Ano eh? Hindi ka tatawa tayo. 45 times 13. That's 450.
Ano na lang,
Oh my God, sorry. Pila? Thank you, Ben. 585. Oh my God. It is our very na complaints. Sa una kayo, may ako. Or sa una ba? Okay. 585. Lantawa, this is the perfect relationship. Kanang na-fix ko ba, face yung value. If you will have this one sa Jamobi, kung naman ha, Jamobi na. Okay na ako. Okay, I'll have it as continuous, then let's check the one. That's how the relation matrix. Ano sila tanan? Lantawa ko one. Okay. Lantawa na perfect one nila. Ang perfect relationship ay katong ako, di ba?
1.
Ang perfect relationship is having number of sandwich and having 13 each. So that's
Yes.
A and C. One na A. This is A, B, C. So ang A of C may na ay perfect relationship. So if you look at the results sa person R using Jamobi, A and C may na ay one. A and C ang perfect one. May perfect relationship. Ang A of B, dili na to perfect. It's only 0.999. Okay. If you will compare, don't naman siya, di ba? Those is perfect relationship. That's why its R is almost 1 or almost perfect. Okay.